Okay, welcome back. As you can see, our dashboard is updating, and like I told you, it's going to be showing you analytics of things you've done. We've sent 5 messages so far. You have one device connected. We don't have any pending schedule, and also we have just only one contact. And as you can see, our automatic replies, we have 3 replies so far, and this is our messages. We have some from bulk, and we have another 3 from chatbot. So now we're going to create an app. So if you create an app, all you just need is to come here, create an app, give it a name. We can call it QChat WP for WordPress. Then we put our website, https www.qchat.com. So you create. If you don't have a website, you can also use that. As you can see, it gave us some information that we can use. Either you want to use call, you want to use PHP, you want to use Node.js or Python. It depends on which programming language you want to use. And you can always copy the API key. You can always copy the API key, and you can also copy the authentication key, and then the to and message. These are the important parts when you're sending. And as you can see, it gives the information uh on the parameters, which is very easy for you to understand, very easy for you to use. And this is what you can use on any platform that you want to use it. And don't forget, when you're using, you have to use the correct URL, which is the QChat API create message. And you can send message with a file. You can send text template. You can always send a template. Maybe you've created a template. All you need is to get your template ID, and with that you are done. So to get a template ID, you go to my template again, and you see action on the template you want to use, and you see view template ID. So this is the template ID you're going to use when you are creating a template under your API. Maybe you want the API to automatically send a template to someone. So this is what you're going to use. So it's very easy, simple, and straightforward. Thank you.